Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with maybe #pound 6776 pound. And here we are in the software version, so you can check the technical information about your device, the exact model, Android version, master date, branch, or build time. Let's go back, and another code, which is #pound 888 pound. And here you can check the PCB number. Moreover, here you can scan this QR code and check some further information about your device. Another code is #pound A6x pound, and thanks to this code you are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so this is the fastest way to check those numbers. Another code that you can use is #pound 426 pound *pound*, and here we are in the diagnostics, so you can check the server, host port, time connected. You can tap on events, and here we've got some further details, and after tapping on the three dots icon you can show advanced view. Just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information, so for example the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code, which is #pound 07 pound, and thanks to it you can check the maximum SAR level, so the head and the body of the device. And the last code I'd like to present today is #pound 225 pound *pound*, and here we are in the calendar information, so basically we can check the events which are gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. However, here we can only check the number of the events in specific category. Unfortunately, we cannot really enter them, so this is the drawback of this code. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.